Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host and gathering network facts. Enable promiscuous mode and confirm your physical NIC supports VLAN tagging. This lets the VM see bridged traffic. Once done, note the host adapter name and the LAN subnet, gateway, and DNS so the VM uses correct addressing. Make sure Vmware tools is installed in the guest to ensure proper driver handling. Finally, decide whether the VM will use DHCP from your LAN or a static IP that fits the recorded plan. Next, configure bridging between VM and the physical LAN. In VMware Workstation, choose Bridged Networking and bind it to the correct physical NIC. In ESXi, create a vSwitch or port group mapped to that NIC and assign a VLAN ID if your LAN uses tagging. Enable promiscuous mode only if required by your topology. Then, inside the guest, configure the IP settings to match your LAN plan and disable any host-only adapters that could conflict. Make sure firewall rules allow the necessary traffic and confirm the MAC address policy. Finally, verify full connectivity from the VM to the LAN and Internet. Ping the gateway first, then test DNS resolution and reach other LAN hosts. Use traceroute to find routing breaks. If you fail, inspect ARP entries on the gateway, confirm the vSwitch shows the VM port active, and check the physical NIC link speed and duplex. Make sure no MAC filtering or DHCP reservations block the VM. As a single troubleshooting tip, when uncertain, assign a known good static IP in the LAN and retest to isolate DHCP or VLAN issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.